let go of the net. Oh my god.
Morning, folks. Owen Nelson here. We are up on the Rainy River today fishing open water for the first time all year in Minnesota. Still feels like I think it's our 3rd February in a row coming up here. This winter just won't go away. But luckily the Rainy River's opened up enough where we can start fishing, and access is opened up enough where we can land our boat. Battling a little bit of ice, so that's been kind of, getting our jigs snagged on that, and we're losing shiners, frozen shiners because of that, and just kind of limits the area that we can fish. Got anything to say, Jer?
Oh, I don't know. We're making do with what we have. There's a lot of ice, like Thor said, that makes things really difficult, but sun's out, it's not too windy, and it's better than walking on ice, so I'm not complaining.
Better than walking on ice, and better than sitting at home and doing nothing. So shut the hell up. We'll get back to fishing.
No, it's a fish. Which one?
Medium light and back current.
Yeah. Same as the rest, probably. What's up with your drag there?
Oh, just cruise. Crazy.
Yeah, oh, for sure. Let go of the net. Oh my god. can't let go of the net. Oh my god. Want to get that bump?
Yeah. Oh man, buddy. For some pictures.
It's not long, but
yeah,
thick.
it's a nice fish. What'd she go?
26. Longer than I thought. There you go. Average.
Yeah.
Getting better up.
It's got decent shapes.
This one's pretty smart. 7 o'clock, 8 at the latest.
First is down a bit. Bro, fall over with this nut job. We're learning. There you go. Just because there's a decent little line frame outside the landing already. All right, well, guys, that's going to wrap up the day for us out here. What did we end with for fish numbers? Did we get 11?
11 or 12, I think.
Yeah, I think we landed 11 or 12 fish. Really turned on in the last hour. We found a little stretch that would, I think Jerry had 4 hits in 4 casts, so it's a good start. And we spot locked and we drifted through that spot and picked up a bunch of fish. Caught a 26-incher, super nice fish, and just caught a bunch of other just real high quality, fun fighting. Great way to end the day. Beautiful sunset right now on the rainy. Couldn't ask for anything better. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you.